Imagine a world where no location is unreachable. This is the promise of Reiter Antennenbau-Energietechnik GmbH. With their digital solutions, complexity meets simplicity, making antenna maintenance a seamless experience for technicians. Forget the frustration of lost paper forms, meet the Mobile2b app that transforms maintenance logging into an effortless task. Service technicians save an entire day each week by ditching paper for efficient digital documentation on their iPhones. Within just a month, Reiter transitioned from planning to practice, implementing a revolutionary digital maintenance solution. Technicians embraced the Mobile2b app, taking advantage of its intuitive interface and powerful features like speech recognition. Now, they can document defects in real time and access crucial data right at the antenna mast location. Imagine the power of nearly zero post-processing efforts, freeing up time for more critical responsibilities and enhancing operational efficiency. Reiter's digital transformation also opens doors for PPE testing, asset tracking, and further innovative application developments. Join Reiter in revolutionizing your operations. With Mobile2b, the future of digital efficiency is within your reach. Act now.